Ugoko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Muthenya wa ira Methu ni ari Citizen TV. Na ikori eneo liyo shule nyingi. One of the questions aloririo ni atiriri. Ni ako apologize. Ni ria augire ati ndetigirite Ruto. Nyamwete gitio rais ni akuheshimu lakini sikuogopi. And by the way, interview ya Methu iraroirwo ni andu aingi muno, andu ngirigana rimwe ria 12 muthenya wa ira. Methu as we speak is a movement. Torai bishara kende mune andu ama viola live, andu ngirigana rimwe ria 12 nio mareroagira Methu live on Citizen TV muthenya wa ira. Methu anoria tiriri, will you apologize? Methu araugire asha. But before ndimwete aje othe ya Methu, nigwenda tucoke thutha. Do you remember the day Kithure Kindiki erire Uhuru, sikuogopi na kuheshimu lakini siogopi, kwani rais ni Mungu? Do you remember Kimani onake nierite Uhuru ndaramwetigira? Do you remember ona Kinara nierite Uhuru ndaramwetigira? Lakini mukia video no ya Kindiki na Kimani makira Uhuru matiramwetigira igetha rutuke we story no ya Methu. Ndamane itekena muno subscribe thini wa channel ya podcast. Lakini nikwenda kona maundu mothe iko ni data politics na channel ile ya kurera maundu ma politics undu wothe ukiumira na still maundu mangi maumira no ndokaga kumenyithia Kuuga podcast. Ina video kende subscribe.
Tumekuheshimu miaka mingi, ukadhani sisi ni maabusu wako, ukajaribu ukaona sisi kama ni watumwa wako. Tunakuheshimu kwa sababu wewe ni kiongozi wa nchi, lakini hatukuogopi kwa sababu wewe sio Mungu, wewe ni binadamu kama sisi. Niseme nisiseme? Niseme nisiseme? Kwani rais ni Mungu? Rais ni Mungu, si ni mwanadamu? Si mwanadamu? Mbona anatutisha? Ametumia polisi, ametumia jeshi, kila kitu imesambaratika. Sasa tunaambia Uhuru Kenyatta, your time is up. Mr. President, your time is up. Mr. President, your time is up. Your time is up. Ya mwisho.
Mukiona Uhuru Kenyatta mumwambie mimi simuogopi, aache kuchoka akinitumia Mungiki. Alikuwa na polisi na jeshi, hatukumuogopa. Hatutakuogopa sababu ya Mungiki. Uhuru Kenyatta, hatutakuogopa because you have recruited Raila Odinga to help you with violence.
Did they apologize? Maiwele Kindiki oleugaga kwani rais amekuwa Mungu? Did they apologize? What is the difference between oya Kindiki augete nore Methu nore Kimani augete nore Methu augire? In fact Methu augatiriri on this video augatiriri muthenya ucio wa Wednesday Kimani ayina gota kahuti ati Kimani andu anyandara mamwonirie andu muthenya ucio ati ona ndendaga kuma haria Ruto ari security ya Ruto ati ona aimbire ndege mbere wa Ruto ni gwitigira na kuigwa guoya. Methu anogire terere muthenya wa ira ndagi apologize. The only people age apologize ni andu akuria mwena wa kiria wa kuria Nyandarua, because President Yoka ona gutire udonge ona gutire kuga ati ni agoka barabara iria abe yo promise maundu make akaona ma apologize ire andu akuria Nyandarua tondu maundu maria mutongoria buri akiria abereirie go promise ona maundu macio matie thini wa budget. Takei Methu muigwa uri araugire ye ndangi apologize ra mutongoria buri, ndangi mo apologize no apologize andu akuria mwena wa Nyandarua. Yo Methu akeria kindly subscribe agiko nduri ora subscribe in the video.
There are some people who are actually saying that I should apologize. In fact, the reason why I should apologize, and the only part I think we should apologize, is to the people of Kalau, because we give another avenue for the president to make even more promises. He is making more promises, and the ones that he has already promised have not been honored. Let me tell you, I'm the area senator. By the way, since the president said that all of us should remain on our line, one of my lines in accordance to Article 96 of the Constitution of Kenya. This is the Constitution. It's oversight. So therefore, he cannot purport to say that I was disrespectful for just oversighting the things that he has actually.
But why embarrass him in public? What were you achieving?
Let me say this, Jeff. I had no intent of embarrassing him. I have had no intent of embarrassing him. He's the head of state. And by the way, if I stand before the people and I remind you, Mr. President, because you see, all these people that move with the president, they already spoke on that particular platform. And had I not spoken about those roads, he would not have responded. If what you're calling embarrassment would actually unlock the development that has been promised, and the people of Nyandarua are actually saying, do not even promise us even one more shilling. Now he came and said that forget about those roads that I was talking about. I'm adding road 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm adding this money. He even said that he'll give us 1 billion for the Nyandarua University. I've seen the supplementary budget 2025-2026. There's nothing like that. I've seen the budget policy statement where you put the things that you want to fund in the next financial year. There's nothing like that. I mean, he can't get money from his pocket to fund that kind of facility.
Guys, what's your name? Araugire dage apologize. Araugire mutongoria bũrũri yemanya ni erire andũ maũndũ maingĩ mũno. No gũtirĩ ũndũ arĩa hingia. Ndende mũkĩra video ĩno ũrĩa yaria ũhoro wa Kimani Ichungwa. Ũrĩa yaugire Kimani Ichungwa ekũrĩa no kũinaina ainainaga abuataga Ruto nĩ kũmaka ekũrĩa Nyandarua. And of course Kimani Ichungwa gũtirĩ handũ thaa ici angĩthiĩ no Mount Kenya region. Gũtirĩ handũ angĩthiĩ. Gũtirĩ ona gwake rĩu gũkoretwo gwĩ slippery ũru mũno. Ĩno video ya Methu akĩrĩa ũhoro wa Kimani Ichungwa.
Mheshimiwa Ichungwa, you have been abusing us. You have been abusing Rigathi Gachagua. Don't abuse him in parliament. He is never in parliament. Don't abuse him in State House. He never comes to State House. Come and pick the mic and abuse him now. Let me tell you, guy was scared. He was running after the president like a small boy. I have never seen a guy scared like that, but he never even came close to that microphone. Even his name was not mentioned. Speak where? Speak where? He was shaking like this. He was shaking like a leaf. In fact, when they were leaving that function, he was just speaking. Even the ADC of the president was behind Ichungwa. He was not leaving the president. He was moving with him like this. Got to one of the escort cars. Are you sure? I was told that even the plane, he got the plane before the president. First to be, to feel safe. The way a small boy runs after the father when things get very tough.
But he did go back to parliament and did the very same thing. Speaking about the former deputy.
I mean, that's why he speaks. I mean, he's very safe there. He's very secure there. And he speaks about a person who is not there. They never bring a substantive motion about him. They already spoke about him. They have spoken about him every time. In fact, I'm sure even on Tuesday they'll speak about him. They'll keep speaking about him there because they can't speak about him anywhere else.
Guys, nĩmaigua ũrĩa Methu arauga. Of course, kwĩna maũndũ maingĩ mũno Methu aroririo thĩinĩ wa interview na araugire we ndaraigua guoya. Araugire we ekũthiĩ na mbere kwarĩrĩria andũ. Hena kĩrĩa aroririo very important. Gachagua angĩithania na Ruto alafu atĩa Methu aramwĩrire atĩrĩrĩ ĩyo nĩ decision Gachagua angĩka on his own. No kĩrĩma-inĩ andũ matienda ũhoro wa Ruto ona hanini. Na arauga Gachagua, there is no way Gachagua angĩgeithania na mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Ruto ona gũthiĩ atĩa kana atĩa. So Methu, as speak, is a movement. Methu is a big movement. Na Methu is one of andũ arĩa rĩu matigĩtwo Mount Kenya region, andũ arĩa mena hinya mũingĩ mũno. Na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere Rigathi Gachagua agĩũka kuma thĩinĩ wa politics nĩ kũhũthĩire tũgatigwo moko-inĩ ma Methu ithuĩ ta Agĩkũyũ, tondũ Methu nĩ araria na ũrũme mũingĩ mũno. He is very young, ndarĩ akinya mĩaka 40, and that is mũndũ gwĩtwo Methu. He is very courageous. Atongoria matikaga mũndũ agetha atuĩke mũtongoria no nginya ũkorwo na ũcamba ta wa Methu. Ũtongoria ndũkaga o ũguo, you fight for it. Ti atĩ ũgakorwo ũkanengererio, you have to fight for it. So anyway, ugo ni gukuri, ugo ni wikarite. Maoni manyu raiko inywe murata. Thank you, God bless you guys. It is what it is. Kwani iko nini? Thank you, God bless you.